Hello everyone, so this is Rexon. So this time I'm going to test this Xiaomi 70Mi Pro's dash cam during the night time. So because this dash cam supports 3 different video resolutions, where the lowest one is 1920 times 1080, and then followed by the middle one is 2560 times 1440, and the best one is 2592 times 1944. So I'm going to plan for 3 trips, so with each trip target these different resolutions. So I'm going to use the same road, and so that we can compare the performance of the different resolutions. So I think everything is ready. Let's go. So remember, so this is the round one, and I'm testing the lowest resolution, which is the 1920 times 1080. So same like in the daytimes where I drive for some few hundreds meter before we end this trip. So stay tuned, don't get away from the video. I promise that this trip will be quite short. So we are going to stop this video when we see the Shell petrol station. Okay, there are 2 motorbikes in front, so I have to slow down a little bit. Okay, so we see the petrol station already, so this is where round 1 ends. Bye.